Hello, viewers and my dear friends. Today I am going to teach you the Vach Parivartanam, which is the part of the NCERT Sanskrit grammar. It is special for class 10. So, this Vach Parivartanan will carry 3 marks for class 10. And one good opportunity for communicative Sanskrit that answer will be given. 3 fill up the blanks will be there in Vachya Parivartanam, and answer will be given below the question paper, below the Vachya Parivartanam. So you have to know only the tricks or how to change from Kartrivach to Karmavach or Karmavach to Bhavavach or Kartrivach to Bhavavach. So before teaching, I have to request you, if yet you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. So in future, whatever the video I will make, it will be brought in your notification and you can understand easily the topics. Okay. So now today I am going to teach you the Vachya Parivartan. First of all, whatever already I wrote here, you must copy it in your note copy. I made ready for you, so that's why it will not take more time, only you have to understand. So first you copy it, everything in your note copy, then you try to understand easily. Now, first of all, the Vachya Parivartanam means nothing else but the voice change. In English, we are telling the voice change. Okay. In English, whatever it is there in my knowledge being a Sanskrit teacher, that in English only active voice and passive voice will be there. But in Sanskrit, there are 3 types of voice, that is called Kartrivach, Karmavach and Bhavavach. Now, first of all, we have to talk about this Kartrivach. What is Kartrivach? Kartrivach means nothing else but the subject. Subject in the sense the priority should be given to the subject, that is called Kartrivach. Kartrivach means the priority should be given to the subject, or you can say importance should be given to the subject is called Kartrivach. In Hindi it is called Karta, means priority should be given to the Karta, means doer. So, in this sentence, what you are looking in Sanskrit, Ramah Vidyalayam Gacchati. What do you mean by that? Means Ram goes to school. Now, first of all, here priority should be given to the Ramah, to the Ram. How you can identify? For that, how can you see? Sir, here in Kartrivach, Karta, priority given to the Karta or subject, how can I identify? For that one, simple tricks I am telling to you. Suppose in English, I am telling to you, suppose Ram goes to school. Suppose I am telling to you. So what is happening? You just try to understand. For finding out the subject, you just ask to this sentence, only you put, I am not going in grammar definition. How you will find out the subject in the sentence, that tricks I am telling to you. You ask the question who. Sentence given to you, Ram goes to school. You ask in this sentences that who goes to school? Answer will come Ram. So it means Ram, the subject. Another example you can say, Mohan eats mango. You ask, who eats the mango or who does eat the mango? Answer will come Mohan. So Mohan will be the subject. So here same thing, another in Sanskrit also, one more thing you can understand. Here Rama means you have put here one, I wrote here downside you see one formula, don't forget. In Vachya Parivartan, this formula you don't forget. 1 to 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1. This formula you don't forget. If you want to know and you think that I must need the 3 marks, my obtained marks should be 3 in Vachya Parivartanam, then this formula you should not forget never. 1 to 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1. So what do you mean by this one? Means this one means this is the 1. What do you mean by 1? 1 means nothing else but the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Ram Shabdarup is there. In Ram Shabdarup, what is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam? Rama. Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam? Ramo. Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam? Ramaha. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. That's why 1. This is the 1. Okay. Now second one, Vidyalayam. So Vidyalayam is the 2. This is called 2. If you are not understanding simple things, you try to understand. That 1 or 2, whatever I am writing, nothing else but the line. First line, second line. Vidyalayam where is there? In second line. Why second line? Because Vidyalayam is the object. Vidyalayam is the object. In sentence, you know in English that subject plus verb plus object will be there. Okay. So subject plus verb plus object will be there. So these silly things already you are students of class 10, you know very well. So object also, here what I told to you, that how you will find out this in sentences, who is the subject. So ask the question who does go to school? Answer will come Ram. So it is a very easy tricks. If you ask the question only who to the sentences, answer will come. Whatever the answer will come, that will become the subject. In the same manner, how we will find out the object? How we will find out the object? It's a very good tricks. Very nice tricks also. You just ask the question to this verb. You just ask the question to this verb about the subject. Suppose in this sentences, Ram goes to school. What will frame the question? What will ask? You ask the question to the verb. Where does Ram goes? Correct? If you ask the question, if you need or you want to find out the object, means you ask the question to the verb. You ask the question to the verb. Where does Ram goes? Answer will come to school. His school will become the object. Clear? That's why we wrote here 2. Means Vidyalaya is the Shabdarup. If we will go Vidyalaya, where he goes to school. And little bit symbol also little there. In Hindi, if we will say, then we are telling kartane, karam ko, karan se, sampradhan ko ke liye. Like this, in Sanskrit also some symbols are there. First line, it is I made. I don't know any grammar, I didn't see like this, but I made like this. How the students will get easily, how they can find out the subject, verb, object, or suppose prathama bhakti, dvitiya bhakti, some मतलब कि हिंदी वाले नो कर्ताने कर्म को करण से संप्रदान को के लिए, but in English like this system is not there. So better you first line means who, second line means to, third line means by, with, fourth line means for. Like this I made the system. So here use 2 means what happened? Dvitiya vibhakti. That's why 2. Where does he go? 2 here you see 2. 2 is the 2 also means a symbol of the object. So here Vidyalayam, if you will go Vidyalaya Sabdrup, you will see Vidyalayah, Vidyalayo, Vidyalayah, Vidyalayam. Here it is Vidyalayam, Ditya Vibhakti, Ekvachanam. Okay, so you see one means the subject. That's a priority given to the subject. That's why he is the one, number one. Then Vidyalayam object. Now Gachati, here also one more you put the one, because already I told to you here formula 1, 2, 1. What do you mean by this one? Why I wrote 1 here? Why I didn't write 3? Why I didn't write here 3? Why did I write to here 1? Because the one means a verb. Verb is the followers of subject. Verb is the followers of subject always. Okay. But in Kartrivach. In Kartrivach, verb will be always the followers of subject. That's why you are not telling in English Ram go. You are telling Ram goes. Why? Because Ram is the third person singular number. And in third person singular number, you are adding with the verb es. With verb, you are adding the s or es. So that's why here Gachati. Gachati here ti. Ti you see the pratyay suffix it is called in English. So Ramah Gachati. Ramah Ramo Rama. So what will be the suffix? Ti taha anti. That's why Gachati. So it will always follow. Suppose Ramah Ramo Ramaha. So what will? Ti taha anti. Correct, no? Suppose you are telling Ramah Ramo Ramaha. Like this, suppose you are telling Ramaha. So what you are writing here? Ti taha anti. This is the suffix. So with Ramah ti. Ramah ti. The Ramah Gachati. Like this it is coming. So this part you finish 1 to 1, you understand Kartrivach, because the priority given 1. 1 means is the number 1 hero. So that's why 1. So priority should be given to the subject. That is called Kartrivach. Hope your doubt clear. Now coming to the point, when you will change from Kartrivach to Karmavach, what you have to do? You have to write, I wrote here already 3, 1, 1. You write here 3. You write here 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1. Now, I hope again I am showing too clearly. 3 on the top you see 3, 1, 1. What do you mean by 3? 3 means nothing else but the line. So when Karmavach, what do you mean by Karmavach? Karmavach means, what do you mean by Karmavach? Karmavach means priority should be given to the object. Clear? So Karmavach, in Kartrivach, priority should be given to the subject. In Karmavach, priority should be given to the object. That's why its number is the only 1. You see here 1. I wrote here 1. Little my marker is disturbing. Okay, and this moment I can't bring or can't go here and there. Anyway, you just try to understand. This is the 1. Okay, this is the 1. So 3 means what happened when Karmavach will change from Kartrivach to Karmavach. What we have to do? The number, you don't forget this formula, 3, 1, 1. 3 means Titiya Vibhakti. Earlier it was the 1, it became third. It became third. Titiya Vibhakti, it became third. 1 became third. Third means Tritiya Vibhakti, means third line. So if you will go Rama Sabdrup, what will be there? Ramah Ramo Ramaha. First line. Second line. Ramam Ramo Raman. Third line. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramei. So that's why third. But here only one thing before that. Before making the sentence, I have to tell one thing. Of course, in class 10, what my experience last 20-21 years, what I am looking, you will not get like this, but it's my duty to tell you. Here only one thing keep it in mind. If Rama is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam, when you will change into Karmavachya, this one also will become Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Again I repeat, if when you will change from Kartrivachya to Karmavachya, what you have to do, that Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam, it will be converted in the same Vachanam, but Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. If in Kartrivachya, it will be suppose Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam, when you will change in Karmavachya, that time it will become also Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. If it will be in Kartrivachya, if suppose subject will be Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, when you change into Karmavachya, that time also it will become Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. These things you don't forget, but generally they are not asking. That is also my experience says. But if suppose they will give, that time you tell, sure, you didn't give, you didn't say like this. So no, you follow here. If it is Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan, it will be Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan. If it is Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam, this will become Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It will suppose Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, it will become Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Okay. So this Rama just you converted into 3. 3 means Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Now here Vidyalayam 2 is there, 2. So you converted, you just convert into the 1. It means what? Nothing else. Same. The second line Vidyalayam. Okay. When you Kartrivach to Karmavach you will convert. That time you have to put first line Ekvachanam. Here what is there? Second line Ekvachanam. Here first line Ekvachanam. It means Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam converted into Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Means it got the promotion. It got the promotion. Okay. Earlier it was the 1 hero. He became 3, became 0. Now he became, earlier he was the 0 in second line. Now he became, Karma became the hero. Now he became 1. He became 1. Okay. Here also the same. If it will be Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam, change into Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. If it is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, you change here Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. If it is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, you change here Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. But generally they are not asking, again I am telling to you. Now last formula. Now why I wrote here Gamyate? This one you follow, Gamyate. Why I wrote here Gamyate? Earlier it was Gachati. So one rule is there. If, but here also see 1. Now his number also 1. Why? He is the like a fox. When in Kartrivachya, Rama is the hero. Ram was the hero. He was following to Ram. Bharv was following to the subject. Means Gachati was following to the Ram. Okay. Now here what is happening? In Karmavachya, priority should be given to the whom? To the object. Means to the karma. So that's why here he also the verb. Now he forget to the Ram and join with the subject 1. Sorry, object 1. So here one rule is there. When you change from Kartrivachya to Karmavachya, what you have to do? That you have to write Gam. You have to write Gam. Gam means mool dhatu, means main verb. Okay. Means suppose gachati came from the gum, khadati came from the khad, like this. Patati came from the pat. So gachati came from the gum, plus it is the rule, plus ya, plus the ekar. So if we add totally, it will become gamyate. Gamyate. Suppose khad plus ya plus te khadyate. Understood? Pat plus ya plus te patthate. Like this. Okay? So this is the rule. I am telling only for class 10 what you have to do. I am not telling very elaborate manner like this. I am just telling what you will do. That much I am telling to you. So gamyate. Okay? So Ramena Vidyalam Gamyate. This is the Karma Vachya. Now what is mean by Bhavavachya? Bhavavachya means the priority should be given to the verb. First you give the subject priority. When it was the Kartrivachya. When Karmavachya, you give the priority to the object. When Bhavavachya, priority should be given to the verb. Here one again, Bhavavachya formula what I wrote to you here, you see 3, 1. In Bhavavachya, keep in mind, in Bhavavachya, first rule is there, object, sorry my marker little disturbing, object won't be there. Okay, in Bhavavachya, object won't be there. These things you keep in mind, won't be there. Means in Bhavavachya, what happened? The object run away somewhere else. He ran away. Okay, so what we have to do? A simple formula I gave to you 3, 1. This formula don't forget. 3 means the same. 3, you write here 3, 3, okay, here 1. Here 3 and 1. Okay, 3 and 1. Here I wrote here 3. This is the 3 and this is the 1. Okay. So 3 means you understood. 3 means Titiya Bhakti Ekvachanam. Okay. And here this one more another thing. This you must note down. Don't forget this one. When you change in Bhavavachya, okay. So Bhavavachya when you change, keep in mind Bhavavachya always the verb, because priority should be given to the verb. So always keep in mind in Bhavavachya the verb will be constant. Verb will be the constant. What do you mean by constant? It will be always Pratham Purush. Always Pratham Purush Ekvachanam. No one change. Ekvachanam. Always Ekvachanam. Okay. Pratham Purush Ekvachanam. I write little bit clearly, so you should not forget. Always in Bhavavachya, it will be constant, never change. Pratham Purush plus Ekvachanam. Ekvachanam. This one don't forget, never. In Bhavavachya when you will change it. Okay, because it may be in Bhavavachya subject may be Tirtya Bhakti Ekvachanam, then also the verb will be always the Pratham Purush Ekvachanam, same Gamyate, Patthate, Likhyate, Khadyate. Like if subject will be the Tirtya Bhakti Dvivachanam, then also Gamyate. Don't change it. If it is Titiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam, then also it will be the constant, same Gamyate. It may be, subject may be Ekvachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam, but it will never change, it will be constant. So, this is all these things, whatever I taught to you, you just note down in your note copy and practice it. Without practice, you can't do. When you see in Oswal, question bank, now many things are coming, so you can get more facility. So you must practice it. Here so many things are, but short formula I gave to you. Details I told to you. I didn't leave any places. Hope you understood very easily. In future, again, I will upload for you all the class 10 NCERT grammar. Thank you.